Welcome back to Hatfield and see everybody. Today we're hiking Wahclella Falls in the Columbia River Gorge, and we're hopefully going to be going swimming. Stay tuned. Wahclella Falls is a waterfall along Tanner Creek, one of the many tributaries of the Columbia River in the Columbia River Gorge, about 40 minutes east of Portland. We started out the hike just past a small parking lot with additional parking along a side service road. It's about 1 mile each way to the falls, with an ascent of about 350 feet in total. Almost immediately, the hike takes you into a beautiful canyon with steep sides all around you. The Columbia River Gorge is known nationwide for canyons like these. Hatfield and see. Tanner Creek has spots all along the trail for you to pull over and enjoy the view. We even passed some people swimming in the deeper parts well before we got to the falls. There's definitely some steep edges along certain parts of the trail, so be careful if you bring dogs or smaller kids. Yeah, look at that view. We highly recommend bringing water shoes because the bottom of the creek and around the falls is only rock. There's no sandy areas around Tanner Creek at all. We did not bring water shoes. As a result, it was very painful getting in and out. Let's keep going towards the waterfall first. I wonder how far back that goes. Looks like this far. Once you arrive to the falls, you have to climb over some logs that create a makeshift dam. But the water is a nice, cool 65 degrees in the summertime, very similar to what the Pacific Ocean feels like this time of year. Once you get in the falls, it's very important that you don't swim too close to it. The currents from the fall alone can pull you down until you drown, so make sure you keep your distance here when you swim here. Definitely don't go too close to it.
Oh, it's cold.
Overall, we highly recommend this swimming spot if you're looking for a short hike with a rewarding, beautiful fall to swim by. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching Happy Fielding Team. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay.
Classic.